everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel, and today it's again a DIY hair tutorial. Thank you for all your love on all my videos. I feel so flattered with all your lovely comments, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now because I promise you 2 videos every week. So today I'm just going to do a everyday casual bun, and my hair is not blow dried. What I just did was, after I washed my hair, I took my blow dryer and I took my paddle brush and I just combed my hair down. And for all those asking that what hairspray I use the L'Oreal Elnet Satin. I have the travel size because I just find it so easy to store it in my personal makeup kit as well. So I'm just gonna start with the tutorial now. And I'm going to do a high bun, so I'm just going to show you how I go about it. Of course, you'll be also needing section clips, so I'm just going to start now. And the most important thing is first to decide what kind of a front do you want. Do you like it all flat or do you like a little volume? I'm going to do a little bit volume today, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick up some hair right from the front, and I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to tease it a little bit. With it, I always finger comb it back. In fact, I don't like to comb my hair a lot, right? You can always take this section and also kind of push it a little forward. And I also kind of make a little conscious effort to pull a few hair strands up. Sometimes even I end up pulling them up a bit too much. So the idea is just to pinch them up. And the idea is that it should be unequal and slightly messy. I'm now taking hairpins. And I'm taking a large size of hairpin. And I'm just going to secure this portion right here. Even after you're done with your pins, you can always play a little bit to make it look uneven and slightly textured. After I'm done with this, I'm just going to take my hair back up. So I prefer flatter sides on myself, and I'm just going to spray this, and I'm going to pull all my hair up. I'm also going to apply a little bit of spray here. If you like to keep textured here also, you can just pull your hair strands out. But I want to keep this really clean because that is a personal preference. I'm now just going to take a rubber band and I'm just going to do a high ponytail. So your ponytail should be as high as you would prefer your bun to be. I just take my ponytail and I make 2 sections. And I just twist them around loosely all the way till the end. And after I'm done, I just pick on it so that I can create a little bit of volume. At the same time, while I create volume, I just kind of twist it. And now I just take this and I just kind of loosely put it right here. So after I've put it up like this, I'm gonna pull hair strands out to make it a little bit more voluminous. I don't like my bun to look very tiny. I feel the size of your bun depends on the size of your face also. If you have a small face, you can go for a smaller bun. If you have a bigger face, your bun should be a little bigger, right? And after I do that, I'm going to start securing it with U-pins. Do not leave your bun at any point. And now again, I'm just going to apply some hairspray right here to keep it really clean. You can always keep it messy also if you like it messy, but I prefer it clean on myself. So there you go, my everyday 5 minutes bun. So do let me know in the comments what you think about this tutorial. I hope it helped you. It's something really quick and simple which you can practically do every day. Of course, we all don't shampoo our hair every day, and it's perfect particularly on a day when your hair looks a little messy and unkempt. And of course, we can't really perfectly blow dry our hair every single day. I feel it's good to stay away from heat on an everyday basis so that you can take care of your hair. So do let me know in the comments what you think about this tutorial. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Take care and keep smiling.